I take this opportunity to really welcome the chief guest of today's function.
Of a great spiritual leader who has enlightened not only the Indian people or Bharatiya, but entire world, acknowledging the importance of Hindu culture and philosophy. He was the first Indian to go out of country and attend Parliament of Religion, which was organized in the year 1893, and gave his remarkable speech where he explained to them the importance of our Hindu religious philosophy, our Hindu culture, and made them know that Bharat has a very great legacy, very long legacy of humanity and humankind.
Yuva, why it is celebrated, is the basic function, basic work that Adhivakta Parishad does. Adhivakta Parishad is an organization of like-minded advocates, but those like-minded advocates are all nationalist thinking advocates. Those people who are putting in their work with the view that nation first, to bring them together, to work with all of them together, is what Adhivakta Parishad is doing.
Each day the technology is developing and coming with new things which we have to learn. Otherwise, there is survival is very difficult. First of all, congratulations to the Adhivakta Parishad for organizing this Youth Day. I think that it should not be only a day's function, it should be a continuous process for educating people with regard to our own cultural and heritage ideas. It was my first experience as a judicial officer. But practically I can tell you that Honda Bar, I am really proud of Honda Bar because people, they really come with full preparation and guide the judge also in a proper way. I received full cooperation, love and affection from Honda Bar, which I will never forget in my life. I thank Adhivakta Parishad for giving me this opportunity to be here and amongst you. Thank you very much.